4 different types of tissues. 4 different types, and you need depictions of them. First of all, you describe the structures and the functions of each tissue type. This here is epithelial tissue, of course. We have 3 different shapes, 3 different ways they can be stratified or simple, or pseudo-stratified. They look stratified, but really they're simple. The shapes are squamous, cuboidal, or columnar, and you need to describe their structures and describe their functions. And then we have connective tissues. These tissues, there are 6 different types. So we have 6 different structures and different functions for each of these. Bone is one of them that you'd recognize. Cartilage, if you hit your throat right there, you can feel like there's cartilage supporting it, but it's not bone. That's a type of connective tissue. Also blood and fat cells. That's connective tissue. And then we have muscle tissue, just 3 different types. But you need to describe the structures of those and how they're different, and also describe the functions of each one of those. This one, way easier than epithelial and connective as far as having to focus. You don't have to focus for as long. And also you're familiar with muscles, right? And then finally, nervous tissue. There's 2 different types of cells that make up nervous tissue. So this is simpler than the other ones as well. Now how these work is complicated, but for now, just know there's neuron and neuroglia. And that's it. And that's it. You have learned the 4 different types of tissues, and you've described their structures and functions, or their anatomy and their physiology. And today, you're going to make sure you finish up with your depictions. You're going to choose ones like I have in this video. And you can see with the case of the nerve cells and the neuroglia, I've added the labels because I found a good diagram I liked, but it didn't have enough labels for myself, and so I modified it. If you need to know how to do that, you just let me know.